Hi guys, a picture here. Let me show you what we did here on one of the welding machine of one of my customers. Here that's the welding torch here, and we normally it was here made with a lamp. There was a lamp here connected in this tube here with a lens, just like that. But it was not precise. The lamp was too thick, so we replaced it by a laser pointer. You see the laser line there? So now we just have to try it and see how it works out. The lamp was fed here by 6-volt AC. So here I made a small rectifier and with a 7805 a stabilizer to make 5-volt out of it. So that's working. So the laser pointer is now fed with 5-volt DC. So guys, thank you for watching and see you next time.